If this gets wavy, I apologize, but this is a shower head out of my bathroom. I don't want to bother it because, I mean, that looks like hard water, but that's just plastic or wrenched it a little bit too hard or something. Well, it looks like all these were pretty well plugged up. So I'm soaking them. That's an old one. The head of it that you pull out is over here, this bowl. So I'm just kind of waiting and see how I make out. I'm going to overdo it instead of underdo it. So anyway, just when taking a shower this morning, I noticed only the middle part, pretty much. Some of the outer ones were ripping, but not many. So just wanted to document this. Today is Thursday, June 18th, I believe, or 19th. I left this running because I had to go find it, but this shit works. So basically soak it for about 3 hours in vinegar and you're good to go. That just makes it long enough to bust it out. I did 2 cups vinegar, 2 cups water. So I was out. I did go to the store before I did that though. But that works. I hope you can see it. I'm going to try to get the head in there where the spray is, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was this morning. So thank you. That's a good life hack. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.